I'm one of the accounting team lead in a finance company. I studied and graduated at the University of San Jose Recolados. It was driven by my brother's decision because he is also an accountant. When you get to deal with people and then seeing business transactions and then financial health of a company. During my rest day, I go out with friends and some colleagues, and I also get enough sleep so that I could compensate the stress and any work pressure. It is a very difficult job and a very demanding one. However, you get to realize that it's good to know how you manage finances, because I also have a dream of having a business one day. It isn't easy, like what I've said, but you should study harder, and then once you finish and then become an accountant, it's very fulfilling and fruitful.
Good day, I'm Cheryl May Caber, graduated from University of Cebu main campus, and is currently working at a small business firm as an accountant. Maybe my love for numbers is what inspired me to become an accountant. When I was in high school, we had this subject, basic accounting. I was amazed and challenged on how to audit and make financial statements analysis. And so, I decided when I graduate in high school, I will take up the course that I want. So I took Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Accounting is a vital part in business. It helps the owners in the business to evaluate the financial performance of their business. It provides information regarding the cost and earnings, profit and loss, liabilities and assets for decision making. So this information is important to assess how quickly the business is developing and helps as a guide in future decision making. I think the three soft skills that an accountant should have is being able to think analytically, is organized and keen to details, and has knowledge in business. Accounting is the language of business. We accountants are tied to the economic health of the country. With the analytical skills and problem-solving skills of an accountant, we can help to develop global standards in the modern economy. Accountants are a vital need for economic and societal progress in the country. So the tips that I can give for those who are considering to become an accountant is to be sure that you love what you're doing. Because if you love what you're doing, no matter what difficulty you might face, you'll be able to persevere. Always remember, when you are starting well, always finish well.
So, my name is Ashid Kadera. I graduated from USC and I have a bachelor's degree in accounting and have been working in the field for over 3 years.
Okay. Accountant.
Well, I've always had a knack for numbers and an interest in understanding how financial systems work. So, accounting was a natural fit. What I find most rewarding is the opportunity to help organizations make informed financial decisions and ensuring that the numbers accurately represent the company's financial records. Well, as an accountant, I believe that accounting data is the lifeblood of any business. It provides a wealth of information that can be harnessed to make better decisions at every level of an organization. So, accounting data allows us to assess the financial health of a company, like by examining income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, and we can identify trends and anomalies. So this helps management make informed decisions about how to allocate resources, what to invest, and expansion.
So accounting.
So I've observed several common mistakes that businesses often make when it comes to accounting. These errors can have significant financial and operational consequences. And one of the most common mistakes is not reconciling financial records regularly. So this include the bank statements, accounts payable and receivable, and inventory. So failure to do so can result in errors, discrepancies, and potential financial losses. And in smaller business, it is common for a single person to handle multiple financial roles, such as receiving the payments, recording transactions, and reconciling accounts. So this lack of segregation of duties can create opportunities for fraud and errors. So I regularly analyze financial statements, including the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. So this analysis helps me and the management team gain insights into the company's financial performance, and we can identify trends and pinpoint areas that require attention. So I work closely with management to create comprehensive budgets and forecasts based on the historical financial data. So these projections serve as roadmaps for financial goals to help the organization plan for growth and investment. One thing as well is monitoring cash flows, which is crucial for ensuring the organization's liquidity. I use this data to forecast cash needs, optimize working capital, and ensure the company can meet its financial obligations.
What tips or advice are you gonna give for those who aspires to be accountants?
Being an accountant is not easy. My advice would be to select an institute with a strong educational foundation to build a foundation of accounting principles, which is very important. For students, join accounting clubs or organizations to network and gain more practical experience, and embrace a lifelong learning mindset, as accounting is an ever-evolving field, as well as cultivating a keen eye for detail, as accuracy is very important in accounting since you'll be dealing with a lot of transactions, especially in financial aspect. That's why this is important.
Okay, thank you so much for your time and for conducting this short interview.
Thank you for having me.